In this video, we show you one of the best model available in the market today. We will provide you with the key features and benefits of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Create buttonholes for your projects in one easy step. Just set your machine to buttonhole. Place your button onto the automatic one-step buttonhole foot, and your machine does the rest. Both sides of the buttonhole are sewn in the same direction, which means buttonholes are perfectly balanced, without any fabric shifting. Every buttonhole is perfectly sized for your button, no matter how many buttonholes you want to make. Choose from 7 different styles, including a manual buttonhole feature, so you can make buttonholes any size you want. You'll have the right one for any project.
Why we recommend this product. And these are rating for this product.